What's up, YouTube? Coming at you with another review. This is going to be a SLAPPY Hollow review. These are the hollow SLAPPY trucks. They feature hollow axles and hollow kingpins, making them more light. They are even better than the standards, basically. SLAPPY trucks feature some sweet stuff like inverted kingpins, which I really love. I threw Crux pink label inverted hollow kingpins in because they're even higher clearance. Stock kingpins, Crux kingpin, but I put the bones washer on there. These are 9-inch 875. And yeah, I just am very used to them. But yeah, these trucks have been my favorite trucks I've tried in recent times. They've actually lasted around on my board. Usually when I get new trucks, I always end up back on independents. These SLAPPYs, I'm finding I actually really dig them because they're like a lighter independent, and then they remind me of Ace trucks too, a little bit. At least the way they look. Like right there, but then on the inside they kind of look like Thunders. They're like surfy, but then they're kind of tech because they're lighter, and they're good for SLAPPYs, surprisingly. Even though when they first came out, nobody did any SLAPPYs on them, which I thought it was funny. They do SLAPPY pretty damn well. It's like the material they use is really good for grinds. I find I can grind for days with SLAPPY trucks. It's a little different than independent Ace and stuff, Thunders, but it's still trucks. And then, yeah, they haven't broken on me. Look how thin that is. Like very thin, very broken in. Not a lot of truck left. I'm way into the axle itself, but yeah, when the trucks are like this, they're still good. They're even lighter. You just lock into grinds with ease. And yeah, if I was you, I'd try to find the hollow versions of the trucks over the standards. The standards will work great, but the hollows are even lighter, so it'll put less fatigue on your body is what I find with lighter boards and stuff. But at the same time, if you're bending trucks, then I would probably stay away from hollows because they're not as strong as a solid axle. What I find these SLAPPY trucks to do the best is grind. They grind so good. They also turn pretty damn good too. It's a very solid truck. It's definitely worth giving a try because it's like, I've found I've gotten way more consistent with my flat ground since trying SLAPPY trucks. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it seems like it did. And I'm just loving it. All right, so one thing I had to do with these SLAPPY trucks is I had to replace my pivot cup. it got super ground out. But I found most pivot cups fit inside the SLAPPY trucks. I did replace it with another pair of SLAPPY trucks pivot cups, so it's the same as the back because I didn't want one different brand than the other. But I found most regular companies' pivot cups fit inside there, so if you do break the pivot cup, like if you can see right here, it's getting a little pinched. Yeah, a little pinched, and that's not even that bad. The other one, it got super duper ripped up and shredded, where it was almost like pushing against the metal. But yeah, I don't know really what caused that. Also with the bushing, it got a little bit shredded again, but these SLAPPY trucks bushings are pretty damn good. I think on my next set, I'm gonna try and switch out the bushings, see if I can make them turn even more by changing out the bushings. But yeah, the SLAPPY trucks are super, super good. They're a really durable truck. You can skate them into the axle. They last forever. Even super ground, they keep skating. Crook groove. Yeah. Basically not much more to say than the first video with SLAPPY trucks. These are just hollows. So they're just a little lighter. Not too many differences other than having a hollow axle and a hollow kingpin. But the SLAPPY trucks are very good trucks. I've been blown away with the SLAPPYs. I really, really dig them. Hopefully this gives you a little insight about SLAPPY trucks. Be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions about SLAPPY trucks. Again, these are the 875 version. Hollow kingpin, hollow axle, inverted kingpin. This has been a E-Tang Skates review. Coming at you live from Santa Cruz, California. Very beautiful. I've been skating these SLAPPY trucks for about 3 or so months, and yeah, I've been trying to like see if they break or something, but they haven't. They won't break, so I'm just gonna make the review. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.